All right, what is going on? We're gonna do a quick shift to reverse, parallel park here. It's like someone tried to take my spot, but here we go. All right, so car is figuring out where to park. It's doing a nice job fitting itself in. Awesome. All right, now it's gonna move up forward to center itself. Here we go. Actually gonna do one more swipe. Looks like it wants to do a perfect job. And it gets awfully close to the car behind, but here we go. This should be it. The conclusion finale to the perfect parking. Voila, just like that. Yeah, that one took a little bit extra calculations and movements there. Had someone behind me trying to take my spot to begin with, but all in all it figured it out. So yeah, really good job there. And that's available with enhanced autopilot and FSD if you're looking to take advantage of the auto park. Works for parallel park and reverse parking. Thanks again for watching, guys, and hope you have a great rest of your day.